and welcome to the safety video portion of this series. I'll be illustrating some do's and don'ts while operating your Liftin' Buddy.
Before using your Liftin' Buddy, it is important to first examine the unit for any damage to the tires, frame, and lifting plate. Make sure the lift is operating in both up and down positions. When loading, always place heavier items on the bottom and make sure that the load is placed as far back on the lifting platform as possible. Always lower the platform completely before traveling. Incorrect load placement can lead to damaged merchandise or personnel. Also, make sure the load is not so tall that it obstructs your view. And always, be careful when approaching and turning corners. For your safety and the safety of others, never let anyone sit, stand, or ride on the Liftin' Buddy. It is important during operating that you do not place any body parts in between the frame and the lifting plate. Make sure to watch your feet when lowering and watch your head when lifting. This concludes our safety video. Thank you for watching.